very, very special. He's enjoying. Hello. What's your name? Is he okay? He's okay? I think I saw him recently. Hi guys. How are they doing? At least they know how to talk. Unlike some people. Very nice. Thank you. Sky, they're not. They keep walking because I guess they think their dog isn't that friendly or whatever. Suddenly a whole plethora of... Hello. For now. So much for the owners. Whoa. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. She's just getting to know. It's all right. What's your name?
Sunny.
Sunny. This is Sky.
Hi.
No. Okay.
No, Sunny.
Sunny's wearing outdoor boots. Forgot that she's indoors.
Yeah.
Sunny, have a nice day. Don't worry. Don't worry, Sunny. Bye. Thank you.